Well, I'm getting ready to start working on the motor for the station wagon, so I started getting boxes, so stick around. There's the first box. It's blue powder coated valve covers from Transdapt. So that's the first piece. Not the most important piece, but the first piece. Here's the bigger box. Due to my bum arm, which I am taking very seriously, I can't really pick this one up. So I'm going to open it up and then carry piece by piece to the back of the truck. Next item is an oil pan for 68 to 78 Ford big blocks, 429, 460. So here's a complaint I got. I bought it from Summit. They got it here like overnight. But look at the boxes. I bought stock rocker arms to replace the ones that are missing from that set of heads that I bought. And look at, they're like laying all over the bottom of the box. So, come on, Summit. The next two items I brought over, again, I'm doing it, is gasket set, Felpro. That's what I always use, and milling, standard volume, standard pressure oil pump. So use milling, thanks to Bill Elliott, and Felpro. Next grouping, assembly lube, valve cover studs, and a oil pump rod from ARP. There you go. As I already pissed and moaned about, I'm going to pick these all up, make sure I got 16 of them, and then we'll put them in this little box so I can carry them. There they are. I counted them, made sure everything was there. 16 rocker arms, brand new. So I'm sure there's more stuff I'm going to be getting for that motor, but I want to start putting it together so I can get it swapped out in the station wagon. Then I can get some body work and paint put on it. So, you know, I just wanted to give you a little bit of an update on that. So there you go. Thanks for watching.